This John L. Scott, Salem property video is presented by Phillip Currie. Nice 4-bedroom floor plan with large fenced backyard. House features updated kitchen and appliances, flooring, and interior paint. Has gas fireplace in family room, large living room, master suite with private bath, also has large double car garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Currie at 503-580-7588.